The concept of a friend story typically refers to narratives centered around friendship, often highlighting themes of loyalty, trust, and shared experiences. A classic example is the story of the Three Musketeers by Alexandre Dumas. In this tale, young D'Artagnan befriends three musketeers, Porthos and Aramis, in 17th century France. Their bond, forged through mutual respect and bravery, is tested by political intrigue, duels, and schemes orchestrated by Cardinal Richelieu. Their motto, "All for one and one for all," encapsulates the essence of true friendship, emphasizing unity and sacrifice. Another example is the modern classic Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling, where the friendship between Harry, Ron, and Hermione drives the story. Their loyalty to each other helps them face dark forces, personal insecurities, and life-threatening challenges at Hogwarts. Their evolving bond showcases how friends support each other through growth and adversity. Friendship stories resonate because they reflect universal human experiences, companionship, conflict, and reconciliation. Whether in literature, film, or real life, these tales remind us that friends provide strength, laughter, and a sense of belonging, making life's journey richer and more meaningful.